Hello students, welcome to geography class. I am your geography teacher. So students, in last lecture we have learned how to draw longitudes on the globe. There are total 360 longitudes on the globe. These longitudes are called meridians. There is a main meridian which is on 0 degree, is called prime meridian. It's also called Greenwich meridian because it's go through the Greenwich town of England. This Greenwich meridian or prime meridian divide globe into two parts, western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. There are total 180 meridians in western hemisphere and 180 meridians in eastern hemisphere. Also we have learned how to label a particular meridian or longitude. For example, meridian in the eastern hemisphere are called 10 degree east, 25 degree east, 35 degree east, etc. While in the western hemisphere meridians are labeled 10 degree west, 25 degree west, 35 degree west, etc. Also we have learned that distance between parallels of latitude is same everywhere, but the distance between adjacent meridian is not same everywhere. It is maximum on the equator and is goes on reducing towards the north and south pole. The distance between any two adjacent parallels is 111 kilometers on the surface of the earth. The distance between two adjacent meridians is also 111 kilometers on the equator. To locate the places within the distance of 111 kilometers exactly, we need to divide the unit degree into smaller units. Degrees are divided into minutes and minutes into seconds. Conventionally, latitudes and longitudes are expressed into degrees, minutes and seconds. Each degree is divided into 60 minutes and a minute into 60 seconds. These values are expressed using the symbols degrees, minutes and seconds. So students, we have to understand that in two adjacent meridians there is a distance of 111 kilometers on the equator, and this 111 kilometer distance is also divided into 60 parts. Each part is called 1 minute, and again the distance of 1 minute is divided into 60 parts. Each part is called 1 second. The method of dividing degree into minutes and minutes into second is necessary to locate the particular place within two adjacent. All in one, we can draw 360 meridians each at a distance of 1 degree. 0 degree prime meridian, 180 degree meridian, 1 degree east to 179 degree east meridian. Thus we have 179 meridians in the eastern hemisphere. 1 degree west to 179 degree west meridians, thus 179 meridians in the western hemisphere. The parallels and meridians on the globe form a net that is called a graticle. This facilitates determining the location of a place. See figure 1.10. Thus, we use latitude and longitudes for determining the location on the earth. This method is being used even in today's modern age quite effectively. Geographical Information System (GIS), Global Positioning System (GPS), as also Google Map, Wikimapia, and Bhuvan of ISRO on the internet also make use of latitudes and longitudes. This technology is also available on mobile phones and motor. So students, as we can see in figure 1.10, there is a net of latitude and longitudes. This net is called graticle. With the help of graticle, we can find the exact location of a particular place. Graticle method is very effectively used in today's modern world. With the help of GIS, GPS, Google Map, we can find any place correctly on the earth. And these all technologies use the method of graticle. So in today's world everyone use mobile, and we all know that we can find any place on the earth with the help of Google Map through mobile phone. So students, this is your homework. Read the chapter aloud. Thank you for watching this audio visual presentation.